Hello guys, how are you? Today our craft project is pinecone project. We are viewing you on screen pinecone, different pinecone projects. A duck and the kids. You are watching the pinecone mouse created with pinecone, and you are watching the pinecone, three pinecone created. You are watching two animals uh, model with pinecone. You are watching the ostrich family. You are watching the two birds, uh, ostrich birds. You are watching the three uh, penguin uh, made with pinecone. You are watching the two animals model made with the pinecone. You are watching a peacock shaped animal bird. You are watching the made with pinecone white color uh, chick. You are watching the tree of the pinecone model decoration. You are watching the three birds created made with pine cones. You are watching two birds, a bird and his chick. You are watching the model of pine cone white color bird. You are watching the two birds, ostrich red, and you are watching the three ducks made with pine cone. You are watching the two um, kids. You are watching the oval, cute oval made with pine cone. You are watching beautiful cartoon character wall hanging made with pine cone. You are watching a sparrow bird making with pine cone. You are watching a Santa Claus red and black color paint. You are watching a bear model wall hanging made with pine cone. You are watching three ovals and other three ovals made with pine cone. You are watching a pine cone bee craft. You are watching the blue color parrot made with pine cone. You are watching a mouse, cute mouse made with pine cone. Mm, uh, Watching you are the red color bird sitting